Unraveling the meaning of in a line in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into a common English phrase that often pops up in conversations, in a line. Understanding such phrases can be a game changer in achieving fluency and confidence in English. So, whether you're learning English as a new language or just polishing your skills, this video will clarify what in a line means and how to use it correctly. Let's get started. When we hear in a line, the first thing that may come to mind is its literal sense. It refers to a series of people or things arranged straight, one behind the other. It's a formation you're likely familiar with from everyday life. Think of waiting at the checkout in the supermarket or lining up to buy movie tickets. Here's an example. The students stood in a line according to their height. Beyond the literal, in a line can also have a figurative meaning. It can imply a sequence of events or actions that follow each other in a logical or planned way. For instance, when you're describing steps to achieve something, you might use this phrase to emphasize the order and sequence. Example: to get your driver's license, you need to follow the steps in a line, complete a driving course, pass the written test, and then pass the driving test. Sometimes, in a line is used to denote agreement or similarity in thoughts or actions. It's akin to saying, on the same page, but is less common in this context. For example, all the committee members are in a line with the decision to postpone the event. Colloquially, in a line can be used in various contexts to express different ideas such as cueing, conformity, or a sequence. It's essential to pay attention to the context to understand the intended meaning fully. A crucial part of learning phrases like in a line is knowing what not to do. Be careful not to confuse it with online, which refers to the internet or being connected to a network, or inline, which can mean integrated or embedded within something else. There you have it, friends. A closer look at the phrase in a line and its various uses in English. Remember, the key to mastering these phrases is practice and listening to how native speakers use them in context. I hope this video has been enlightening and has added another building block to your English language journey. Stay curious and keep learning. Until next time, goodbye and happy learning.